My Minority Report. Her name was Mrs. Actually, her name doesn't matter. It's what she stood for that does. She taught me more than she would ever know. It was an exciting time, the start of grade 9. With her, it was more than multiple syllable words and the chrysalids. She taught me about the struggles of being a minority woman. Her struggles. My struggles. Her name was Ms. Actually, her name doesn't matter. It's what she stood for that does. She opened my eyes to more things than she will ever know. It was grade 10, no longer a minor niner. With her, it was more than spiking and catching. She taught me about how my body will be used to define me, to objectify me, and to make me question my self-worth. Her struggle, my struggles. Her name was Ms. Actually, her name doesn't matter. It's what she stood for that does. She opened my mind to unprecedented coordinates. It was grade 11, my footing stronger than ever before. With her, it was more than torts and contracts. She taught me that the law was no friend of a woman, especially not a minority woman. That society excluded us and didn't deem us as equals. And that in order for us to be heard, we had to be 3 times as knowledgeable and pious. Her struggles, my struggles. Her name was Ms. Actually, her name doesn't matter. It's what she stood for that does. She broadened my shoulders. She taught me about armor. It was grade 12, 1 year closer to the bottom of the totem pole. With her, it was beyond the social exchange theory. She taught me that I needed to get tough if I was to withstand the stereotypes. My place in society defined by my milk chocolate complexion, coupled with my reproductive insides. Her struggles, my struggles. Her name was... Actually, her name doesn't matter. It's what she stood for that does. She spoke to my soul, the very essence of my being. It was an exciting time, my OAC year. With her, it was greater than cabinet ministers and parliament. She helped me understand the purpose of voice, the right to voice, the pain of voice, the responsibility of voice, and the power of my voice. Her successes, my successes.